Lab 1, Health History and Baseline Information, Kin 480. My name is Myasia, and let's get into the 3 assessments. To start off, I'm going to talk about measuring height. As you can see in the video, I started off by using a sticky note to mark my place, a whiteboard to rest on top of the head, and a measuring tape to get an accurate measurement of how tall my client is. I had her stand with her heels against the wall, back and shoulders, as well as head against the wall, making sure that she had straightforward vision. After doing that, I took my whiteboard and placed it above her head, lightly placing it on her head. Once I make that, I used a post-it note to mark my place. This way I can have a place mark for when I make my measurements. After marking the wall with a sticky note, I used a measuring tape from the floor up to get an accurate measurement of my client's height. Now, this measurement comes out to be 5 feet and 6 inches, which in total would be 66 inches. After gathering the appropriate data, I made sure to record it on a piece of paper so I can later transfer it over to a digital document to submit for my assignment. We'll get into assessing and recording my client's weight. As you can see, I'm instructing my client on what I will be doing, telling her to place her feet on the scale. As I look down at the scale, I record her weight on the sheet of paper to transfer over to the document provided by the course. Here I provided a different view of recording my client's weight, also talking her through it. Here you'll see a close-up of my client's weight. She's weighing at 130. Lastly, I will be performing a radial pulse assessment and palpation with my client, and just walking her through the steps of it, making sure that she isn't physically active before doing so. Right here, I'm just explaining that you don't want to use your thumb because it does have its own pulse of its own, making sure that you take the pulse along the radial artery. Within this video, I'm adjusting my client, and I'm going to be utilizing my 3 fingers, excluding my thumb, to get and capture a radial pulse assessment and palpation. On her phone, we made sure to set 30 seconds as I count each beat. Ending this assessment, I times the amount that I had counted by 2, and her resting heart rate came out to be 80 in total. After going through each of the 3 assessments, I took the time to review each document that was filled out prior to the assessments, as well as the results. With this, in total, overall, she is a very healthy individual at the age of 25 and is at a normal BMI, normal weight, healthy weight.